Jai Hind. Narpat Lal, Senior Teacher Social Science from MGGS Chainpura, Jodhpur. Welcome. Today we are going to study 9th class History, Chapter 1, French Revolution. This is the story of change of power of governing in France took place. King Louis XVI was removed by force of the pupils. People gathered there and took place and decided to use pupils' power in place of the kingdom. The story of the Louis XVI. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of the king ascended of the throne of France. He was 20 years old and married to Austrian Princess Mary Antoinette. Upon his accession, a new king found an empty treasury. Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this was the cost of maintaining the extravagant court at the immense place of Versailles. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from common enemy Britain. As for your knowledge, Britain and France had ruled almost throughout the world, and in America, Britons were ruling and France supported American forces for freedom, which took place in 1776. The war added more than $1 billion lives to debt had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. French society in 18th century was divided into 3 estates. The only members of the third estate paid taxes. Church too extracted a share of taxes called thetes from peasants, and finally all members of the third estate had to pay taxes to the state. These included direct tax called thete and a number of direct taxes which were levied on articles of the everyday consumption like salt or tobacco. The burden of financing activities of the state through taxes was borne by the third estate alone. Outbreak of French revolutions, classes of the French society's facts about Napoleon and former emperor. As you are aware, in France, the society was divided into 3 categories. The first estate was clergy, means padri of churches. Second estate was the nobility, means jamidar and ruling party. And third estate was the peasant. Along with that, big businessmen, merchants, court officials, artisans, landless, laborers, servants, etc. And this was between this, the third estate was even rich and some were poor also. Outbreak of the revolutions, as we are aware, the revolutions went through various stages. When Louis XVI became king, the French treasury was empty and there was a growing discontent within the society and old regimes. In 1792 to 93, Convention abolished the monarchy and France became a republic. And Jacobin Republic overthrown and directory rules in France in 1794 1905, new constitution adopted, a new convention appointed 5-man directorate to run the state, and 1799 the revolutions end with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, and Napoleon's coups abolished directory and established consulate. Timeline of the French Revolutions: 1770s to 1780, economic decline. France government in deep debt. Louis XVI ascended to the throne. It was with the empty treasury. 78 79, bad harvest, high prices and food rates. Even people does not have anything for fooding, and rises of the price was higher. That too, king has not given any relaxation on taxes. 89, May 5th, General State convened the demand to reform. There was a general state in the France, but king has not permitted their meetings and it was stopped, so they convened it, demand for the reform of this to guide king for governing. 1789, July 14, National Assembly formed. When State General was not permitted by king, National Assembly formed, and Bastille stormed on 14th July. French Revolution starts. In 1792, Constitution of the 1791 converts the absolute monarchy. There is no monarchy there into the constitutional monarchy. There was a constitution formed there, and the powers has been given to this monarchy with the limited powers. In 1792, Austria and Prussia attacked revolutionary France. Attack on the revolutionary France, and Robespierre elected the first deputy of the Paris to the National Convention. In 1793, Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette were executed, hanged till that. In 1792 to 74, Reign of the Terror starts. Austria, Britain, Netherlands, Prussia, Spain are at war with the France. France was another power comparing to the Britain, and there was a groups there. So other groups started fighting with the France. Robespierre's Committee of the Public Safety repels back foreign invaders, executed many enemies of the people in France itself. There was Robespierre also executed. France governed by the Directory and Committee of 5 men. Reason of the terror ends. In 1795, the National Convention dissolved. Most of the women of the third estate had to work for living. Life was very difficult because they were earning less, no employment was there, harvesting was there, taxes has been improved, raised, were unable to pay in that situation, and this was the main reason people started against the kingdoms. Their wages were lower than those of the men. They are equal as per the equal work. This was the first demand in France. In order to discuss the voice in their interest, women started their own political club and newspapers, so that women can spare their own views to other women. One of their main demands was the woman must enjoy the same political rights as men. Voting rights, governing rights, everything women demanded for them also. Some laws were introduced to improve the position of the woman. The struggle still continues in several parts of the world. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won right to vote. One more thing was the slavery, the abolition of the slavery. There was a triangular slave trade among the Europe, Africa, and America. Slaves, pupils are being brought, and all rights has been seized of them. In the 18th century, there was a little criticism of the slavery in France. 18th century, they criticized it. No laws were passed against it. It was in 1794 that convention made a free to all slaves. Now freedom of the slave has started in France, but 10 years later slavery was reintroduced by the Napoleon. It was finally in 1848 the slavery was abolished in the French colonies. No slave was there in French colonies wherever France was ruling throughout India, throughout world. In India, Pondicherry they were ruling. Revolutions of everyday life. The years following 1789, France saw many changes into lives of men, women, and children. Revolutionary government took it upon themselves to pass laws would translate the ideals of the liberty and equality. Liberty means freedom, equality means there is no differences, no party. Okay? Then into everyday practice. One important law that came into effect was the abolition of the censorship. Censorship means you are now can explain your views, your ideas. The liberty and democratic rights were also most important legacy of the French revolutions, and these spread from France to the rest of the Europe during 19th century. But in 1804, Napoleon took part, become the emperor of the France, and the European countries also started conquering it. This is our first chapter we have completed. Now you have to see, and you may get questions in next time. So you have to answer this. That's all.